Ever found yourself staring at those juicy paper profits on TradingView, maybe after a killer simulated trade, and then that little voice pops up, "Wait a minute, can I actually withdraw this?" You're not alone if that thought has crossed your mind. It's a natural question when you're spending time analyzing charts, backtesting strategies, and feeling like you've cracked the code. Let's be crystal clear right off the bat. TradingView, in its core functionality, is a powerful charting and social networking platform for traders and investors. Think of it as your go-to hub for technical analysis, real-time market data, and connecting with other traders to share ideas and strategies. You can dissect price action, draw trend lines until your heart's content, and even simulate trades to test your theories without risking real capital. However, and this is the crucial part, TradingView itself does not function as a brokerage. It doesn't hold your actual funds, and therefore, it doesn't offer withdrawal capabilities in the traditional sense. The paper trading feature, while incredibly useful for practice, operates with virtual money. Those impressive gains you see there are a reflection of your simulated trading prowess, but they aren't real currency sitting in a TradingView account. Now, this doesn't mean that the insights and strategies you develop on TradingView can't lead to real-world profits. Quite the opposite. TradingView is designed to be an indispensable tool for anyone involved in the financial markets. The analysis you conduct here can absolutely inform your decisions when you execute trades through a separate, actual brokerage account. Think of TradingView as your sophisticated cockpit. It provides you with all the necessary instruments, charts, indicators, drawing tools, and news feeds to navigate the market effectively. But the actual act of flying, the buying and selling of assets with real money, happens through your chosen brokerage. So, how does the money flow? Typically, you would fund your brokerage account through various methods like bank transfers, credit/debit cards, or other online payment systems. When you execute a profitable trade through your broker, the profits are credited to your brokerage account balance. It's from this brokerage account that you would then initiate a withdrawal, using the options provided by your specific broker. These options usually include bank transfers, e-wallets, or other methods depending on the broker's offerings and your location. Therefore, while you can't directly pull funds out of TradingView, the platform plays a vital role in helping you make informed trading decisions that can ultimately lead to withdrawable profits from your linked brokerage accounts. It's about understanding the distinct roles of the analytical tool, TradingView, and the execution platform, your broker. They work hand in hand, but they aren't the same entity when it comes to holding and dispersing funds. So, the next time you see those paper trading gains, celebrate the learning and the potential they represent. Just remember that to turn those insights into tangible funds, you'll need to leverage the power of TradingView in conjunction with a reliable brokerage account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.